Hey guys, how's it going? And today we are going to talk about the AXE Deodorant Body Spray. Now this body spray, this fragrance, the Phoenix fragrance, is my all-time favorite AXE body spray fragrance that I like. I've gotten the Phoenix one for a long time, and I've had absolutely nothing but good experiences with it. This body spray, it lasts for a very long time. I mean, as far as you can smell it on yourself for a really, really long time, and it's really good. I mean, if you put it on in the morning, you won't need to refresh anything until probably around 6 to 7 o'clock that evening. It really lasts a long time. It's really good. I like it, and the fragrance is awesome. There is the Phoenix fragrance it has a little musk in there with a little fruity scent that's kind of sweet, but not too sweet. That really is good for me. I like it a lot. And for those of you that don't really know how the AXE actually works, this is a turning cap that, you see that part that just came up? You turn this like that, and it goes down, and it kind of disappears at the top, so you can't really see anything. It's like flush like that, right? But when you want to use it, you turn this part and pop, that part comes out, and it's ready to spray, and it's really good. Now it sprays on like a mist, like that, right? And it doesn't go on oily or sticky, which is really good. I mean, I've had body sprays and lotions and stuff go on so sticky, and it takes so long to actually dry onto your skin. It's just ridiculous. This dries very fast, and it smells really good. It doesn't have that after smell of alcohol that a lot of sprays have. That really bothers me. I know they put a lot of alcohol in there, so it will evaporate quickly, but you can smell it. I mean, it's not cool. Yeah, this one you don't have to worry about that. It's really, really good. It's like, okay, so it goes on to say if you put it on like your hand, like that, you see? Now, it'll stay on there and evaporate very fast. Yeah, and it doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel like slippery and slick or anything. See? It's pretty much gone already. Yeah, but the smell is there, and it smells really good. I like it a lot. Yeah. Very, very good spray. A lot of times, if it's sticky, you're not going to want to wear it, because it will, well, for me anyway, if any kind of spray goes on my body and it's sticky or oily, it will irritate my skin, and it'll be itchy there. I make sure that I get sprays and body sprays or lotions and everything that don't have those issues. Yeah, but this is a good one, and this is my all-time favorite scent. I love the Phoenix fragrance. You know, there are some AXE fragrances that I aren't very fond of, but this one does me. I had a different one that I was using because I wanted just to try it, because they did not have this one at the store at the time, so I tried a different one, and I didn't really like it. It was just okay, but thinking that I had to use it, I didn't want to go out and buy another one until that one was gone. So finally I used that one up, and I was able to go to the store and get the one that I really like, and that's the Phoenix. Yeah, it smells really good. I have no real downsides to it, but I wish it came in a larger bottle so I didn't have to buy it so often. I mean, it's not like you're spraying it all day because it lasts, but it will run out, and I wish it was larger so I would not have to continue to buy it so often because I use it up. Yeah, but other than that, I think it's a good buy and very economical. I like it a lot. Okay guys, well, that is the Axe body spray with the fragrance of Phoenix. Alright, I like it a lot. Alright, I hope you guys use this information. Alright, take it easy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.